Are you ready to start your own shoe store business online? Let's jump right in. Step 1, you're going to need to get a business plan. If you've never started your own business, head over to Fiverr, type in business plan in the search bar, and it will reveal hundreds of people who are available to help you get started. Step 2, you're going to need to decide on your shoe inventory. Choose a shoe offering. These are the top most common shoes that are being sold online. Step 3 is to find suppliers. You have two methods that you can get this done. You can start a dropshipping store, which requires no inventory. In order to do that, you head on over to Google and you just type in dropshipping shoe suppliers. And that's going to reveal tons of companies who can get you set up with a dropshipping account. And if you don't want to do that, you can browse through Wholesale to Bees website. They have over 1 million dropshipping products. I use them for just about everything. They integrate really easily into Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, Shopify. They'll get you started right away. And the best thing of all is that you get to browse their catalog for absolutely free. All right, so method number 2 is the self-fulfillment method. That means that you're going to need to hold inventory in a warehouse. In order to do this, go to Google and type in wholesale shoe suppliers. That's going to reveal tons of companies you can buy shoes directly from in bulk. And speaking of buying in bulk, that's called buying wholesale tax-free. And in order to do that, you're going to need a retail merchant certificate or reseller permit. And you can get that directly from your Secretary of State. And it usually only costs from $0 to maybe around $50 per year. Step 4 is to go ahead and register your business and set up your business bank account. I personally like to use MyCorp. They make it super easy to start your business. You can set up an LLC, a sole proprietorship, or an S Corp, usually from anywhere around $99 to $300. Then you take that paperwork and you head over to Square, and they can get you set up with a free business bank account. There's no deposits, $0 on overdraft fees, no minimum balance. They are amazing. Step 5 is to get an e-commerce store created. So what you'll do is head over to Bluehost and find the domain name that makes sense for your shoe company. Once you do that, buy a hosting package and give that information to a website designer on Fiverr. You go to fiverr.com and type in website design. This will reveal tons of people who can get you set up with a website in under 3 days. Next, you want to go create a logo and get your branding done. The shoe market is very saturated, including online, so you need to be able to stand out. And 99 Designs does a great job at helping you do just this. Step 7 is to start marketing your shoe business. So here are the list of target audiences that normally buy shoes. And here is a list of the marketing strategies you need to use to target and advertise to them. Great job! You now own a shoe store online. So you're probably wondering, how much money can I earn from owning a shoe store? Well, the average startup revenue is around $30,000 to $75,000 per year. But the sky is really the limit. And the cost to start the dropship method is $500 to $1,000, which is very, very low. But if you decide to self-fulfill, your startup costs are big bucks, at least $10,000 to $20,000 for starting.
If you like this video or you know someone who needs to see this today, tag your friends, hit like, and give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.